nuts? You nuts?
Are 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 you nuts?
Nuts? Are you nuts?
Are you nuts?
Are you nuts?
You're nuts. Are you nuts? Jace never did learn to control that temper.
Talk about how you control your temper like that.
But if the master doesn't learn to control that temper...
Control your temper.
Now, you learn to control your cock-sucking temper. John, you have to learn to control your temper.
Well, you should learn to control your temper.
Well, you should learn to control your temper.
Yes. You've got to learn to control your temper.
You must learn to control your temper.
You're gonna need to control your temper.
Don't trust anyone.
No, I don't trust anyone. 나 이제 사람을 못 믿잖아.
Son, I don't trust anyone.
Don't trust anyone, remember?
I don't trust anyone else.
Trust anyone. Trust anyone.
Don't trust anyone.
Don't trust anyone.
I don't trust anyone.
Don't trust anyone.
Trust anyone.
Because you don't trust anyone.
I don't trust anyone.
I don't trust anyone. Because you don't trust anyone.
Don't ever trust anyone here, Adam.
I don't trust anyone.
Came to apologize.
I came to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I came to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I just came to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I came here to apologize to you.
I came to apologize.
I came to apologize, Whitey.
I came here to apologize.
I came to apologize.
I came to apologize.
Listen, I came here to apologize.
I came here to apologize.
I came here to apologize and comfort you.
I came to apologize.
I came to apologize.
Boyfriend, to stop making bullshit excuses.
Can excuses for a wash.
Making excuses.
Stop making excuses.
Stop making excuses.
Stop making excuses. You want
Making excuses.
stop making excuses. What do you keep picking fights?
I would have been called.
Stop making excuses.
I'm just saying maybe I should stop making excuses.